Good evening, everybody. I'm your host, Jett Martin, and this is going to be your daily stock market recap for May 11th, 2020. Closing out the stock market today, the Dow Jones is down 109.3 points, the S&P 500 is up 0.39 points, and the Nasdaq is up 71.02 points. Marriott on Monday reported first quarter net income of $31 million or 9 cents a share compared to $375 million or 1.09 cents a share in the comparable quarter last year. Adjusting earnings were 26 cents a share, missing the 87 cents analysts polled by FactSet had expected. Revenue fell 6.6% to $4.68 billion this quarter, causing their share price to fall 5.58%, closing May 11th, 2020. CEO Aaron Storson tried curbing the effects of their Q1 earnings report by saying April seems to have defined the bottom. And when we're looking at the last couple of weeks, there's not been significant movement in the number of closed hotels. But most days we're seeing 1 or 2 or 3 hotels reopen. Then we are seeing hotels close. About 1/4 of Marriott's roughly 7,200 properties remain closed. Travel demand has greatly improved in Greater China, with hotel occupancy in that region reaching 25% in April, up from less than 10% in mid-February. Mr. Sorsen said, looking at our occupancy and booking trends, it appears that lodging demands in most of the rest of the world has stabilized. Mr. Sorsen also added that in the past 2 weeks, occupancy in North America stood around 20% at limited service hotels. Next, let's look at the potential talks of Amazon acquiring AMC Entertainment. Amazon is said to have studied a deal for AMC, and the two sides may have held talks, according to a May 9th report in the British newspaper The Daily Mail, citing unnamed sources. Deadline later contradicted the story, saying there aren't any discussions. This led to AMC Entertainment stock rising a whopping 29.76% a share. AMC is the world's largest movie theater operator, with about 1,000 theaters worldwide, with 11,000 total screens, with leading market share in both the United States and Europe. With the entire movie industry shut down due to the current pandemic, AMC shares through Friday were down 43% by the year. As of March 31st, AMC had just under $300 million in cash, including borrowing on 2 revolving credit facilities. On April 16th, it announced a private offering of $500 million of first lien notes due 2025 with a 10.5% coupon. To clarify, a first lien notes are mortgage notes. A first lien note is the first to be paid when a borrower defaults and the property or asset was used as collateral for the debt. A first lien is paid before all other liens. AMC has a total enterprise value of $4.8 billion, according to FactSet. In mid-April, the company said that including the notes offering has enough liquidity to survive a global suspension of operations until a partial reopening ahead of Thanksgiving. Our stock pick of today is Eldorado Resorts, ticker ERI. Eldorado Resorts Incorporated operates as Concito Entertainment Company and engages in gaming operations and managing hotels, restaurants, bars, racing, retail shops, and other services. Eldorado released its Q1 earnings report May 11th. Missed expected earnings per share by 42 cents. Actual earnings being negative 0.19 cents a share. Eldorado is still proceeding with their acquisition of Caesar. This could lead to another chance to take a deeper discount on Eldorado Resorts, which is down 2.23% today. Thank you for joining us on Key Points today, May 11th, 2020. Please remember to smash that like button, subscribe if you're new, and join us Monday through Friday as we give you your daily stock market recap.